getting a double knee replacement. I got hit by an 18-wheeler in 2021, so got tossed around in my truck a little bit, and it jacked me up pretty good. So I've been down for a while now. I used to bowl, I used to golf, I used to tournament fish. Haven't been able to do any of that really, so went on vacation, had to rent a scooter. That sucked. So hopefully this will correct all that and I can get back out there. I wasn't expecting to get them both done at the same time, but she suggested to do them both. That way the recovery's, one and done. So
About 3 years ago, I was looking on the internet, just going into groups, asking questions about if there's anything out there, because we're self-employed, so we just had basics with insurance that didn't cover knee replacement or anything, and found it and tried for 3 years, and finally in the third year, he got accepted for the surgery, so we were very, very happy. Once they called, because I hadn't told him that I had applied again, and he got the call and he's like, "What? Who is this?"
yeah, I was hung up on him. I'm like, you got the wrong number.
Yeah, so it's been very quick, a lot quicker than we anticipated.
Yeah, no pain that's the main one. Is no pain. I don't know what no pain feels like, so I'm kind of looking forward to that one.